Some users has problem using DIA-dense PCM due to bad contact with skin. It can be caused by dry or skin with many hair. In these cases, DIA-dense PCM can not working as you wish. To use device in these cases, you need to switch it into special mode and it will work fine with any problem. To do this, you need to make several simple operations. First of all, you need to switch on your device. Then switch device in the mode which you are need for your treatment. For example, this mode or this one. Then make setup level of influence which will be comfortable for your treatment. For example, this one. And then push buttons plus and button on in one time. As you see, timer is going and device is working now. It works, you see. On hair, skin also. You can use it for brushing techniques also. You hear as it working. This is very high level. In this mode you can change level of influence without switching off the device, without any problems. Now any type of skin works fine. Also, you can use remote electrode without any problem. Switch it. You see timer is working. This electronics works and this also. Okay, now can use it more comfortable, be healthy.